Much of the Midwest and eastern part of the nation are cleaning up from the mess this week's major winter storm left behind. Look at this huge snow blower. It was used to clear roads in Des Moines, Iowa. The machine can tackle an 8-foot snowdrift and throw it 200 yards. You know, they could probably use that in Mora, maybe, or Cloudcroft.
Or Rosciata, someplace like that, you know.
Okay.
You want to know why I said Rosciata?
I do.
Well, it turns out that I know a guy in Rosciata. I actually didn't know him until he sent me an email. His name's Gary Lockwood.
Oh, well done.
And it looks like maybe this one was thrown about 20 feet, not 200 yards. But some kind of snowplow went through there. Now, here's the thing I have to tell you about Rosciata. They're not quite as advanced as maybe, say, Des Moines, because take a look at how they plow the roads in Rosciata. But it gets the job done.
It's better than my shovel out front.
No kidding, I tell you what. But you can see there's plenty of snow still kind of left around. And as a result of that, there's some cool temperatures still kind of hanging out there as well. 39 degrees right now at the Sunport, 30 up in Santa Fe. Now, the further north you go, you get into more of that snow cover on the ground. We talked about this yesterday, how the snow kind of reflects the sun's energy. And that's why areas to the south without the snow are definitely enjoying the sun and warming up a little bit. But sunshine may be hard to come by, at least for the northern half of the state. Notice my timeline forecast here for the Albuquerque Metro is showing few clouds here or there, rolling right on through the nighttime hours. I really think it's mostly clouds for us right now, but eventually those clouds will thicken and we could have some activity. And of course, there's still a lot of cold air waiting up to the north. So you mix that cold air with what appears to be a series of weather systems coming in off the west coast. It doesn't really take a genius to put two and two together here and decide that there could be more snow for the land of enchantment, and that will be the case. Now, the thing is, what's going to happen is we're going to get these systems in one after the other over the next 3 days. The first one's coming through today with really nothing more than just a few clouds across the area, maybe some high mountain snow flurries. There's a second little disturbance. I've got it pictured here. That one comes through tomorrow. It's a little more intense, and it'll produce a little more snow in the higher elevations. And then the final wave of energy comes in Sunday night and into Monday morning. This is the strongest. Now, it pales in comparison to the storms that we've had the last couple of weeks, but given the fact that we'll get a little moisture in here, we've got the cold air, we just saw that, I think even a wintry mix is still a possibility in the metro area. So what can we really expect over the weekend with that bigger disturbance coming in? Well, for the most part, temperatures staying chilly, especially for the northern half of the state. You're still okay down to the south. Then for the next couple of days, we'll start to see those little snow showers up over the mountaintops. That will increase in intensity, mind you, with the stronger storm coming in for Sunday and Monday, and that's when we'll finally start to see that possibility of the winter mix moving into the metro. Temperature time, though, we move across the board, and we continue to find some rather cool stuff out there. From I-40 north, temperatures are still running anywhere from 5 to 15 degrees below normal out there. Down towards the south, temperatures are getting up close to normal. That means upper 50s to around 60 degrees. Certainly no problems with the temperatures we're looking at down in the southeast. You've even got sunshine and lighter breezes today. So a fantastic Friday and a good way to get into your weekend. Now, when these little disturbances come calling, the breezes will kind of start to pick up out there. I really don't expect the bulk of the inclement weather, though, until late Sunday or Monday, so most of our weekend should be pretty good. Scattered snow showers, 1 to 2 inches to get next week started up in Santa Fe, and possibility of coming in on an icy mix Monday morning. Give us about a 20% chance for that, so it's a better chance it won't happen, but certainly something that we'll be watching.
Well, the snow is helping us get in the holiday spirit, and so are these two stories here.